Welcome to Vintage Barbie Glare Time! Today we're taking a look at a Barbie that was in a bit of a state when she arrived. She had skincare Barbie hair, it was a bit nutty, and her clothes were a little bit dirty. So this is a picture of her after her first brush through. It looked quite sweet, but then I thought, no, I'll make it better. So I googled it and I found out you use comfort fabric softener in the water to wash her hair and wash her sins away. And then you dry all day. And Barbie has the most amazing hair. But then I thought, hey, it's still a little bit wavy. So how do I make it straight? I kind of guessed this bit, to be honest. There was no advice on it, but it seemed to work. Huzzah! Here's a picture of Barbie posing by her pony. And the final piece of resistance is to pack in acid-free paper, bag up, and of course make a label for Barbie. I hope you enjoyed today's quick video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell on YouTube for daily updates. Bye-bye!